Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Verizon wireless phone step by step clearly. Make sure your phone is fully charged or keep it connected to a charger during the process. Confirm you have a Verizon SIM card ready, or that your device supports eSIM if you plan to use eSIM. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the phone can download activation updates quickly. Write down your Verizon account username and password, or have the account owner available if needed. If you are transferring a number, keep your old phone nearby and do not cancel your previous service yet. Insert the Verizon SIM card into the phone using the SIM tool, then place it back in carefully. Turn on the phone and wait until the setup screen appears. Choose your language and region, then continue to the next screen. Connect to Wi-Fi and wait for the phone to verify the connection. When prompted, sign in with your Apple ID or Google account, or choose to skip if you prefer. If your phone asks to update the operating system, accept the update and let it finish. Open the phone app and dial *228 if your device supports this method. Then follow the voice prompts. If *228 does not work on your device, open Settings and look for Mobile Network or Cellular options. Select Add eSIM or Set up Cellular if you are using eSIM. Then choose Verizon when available. Scan the QR code provided by Verizon if you were given one for eSIM activation. If you have the My Verizon app installed, open it and sign in to your Verizon account. In the My Verizon app, find Activate or Devices and select the phone you are activating. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your plan and finish activation. Wait for the phone to show Verizon or VZW in the status bar, indicating the network is detected. Restart the phone once to help the network settings finalize. After restart, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off. Make a test call to any number to confirm voice service is working. Send a text message to confirm SMS is working properly. Turn on mobile data and open a website to confirm internet access works without Wi-Fi. Check that voicemail is set up by holding the 1 key or calling your voicemail number. If activation fails, remove and reinsert the SIM card. Then restart and try again. If the phone still will not activate, contact Verizon support or use the online activation page from another device. Once everything works, install your essential apps and check that your contacts and messages are syncing correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.